Hi friends, welcome back to Civil Cube. I am Mohammed Said. So today we are going to see how to create a base plate for PEB Tapered Column. Before creating a base plate, we have to change the selection switches component to object. Then only we can create base plate correctly. Go to Application Component, search PEB, select Tapered Column Base Plate 1068, select the web of column, then click the middle position. So here the base plate will be created. To change or modify this base plate connection, again we have to change the selection switch to component. Then double click the base plate connection. Here we can put the values what we require. So first we put the value of the stiffener as 150 mm height, 50 mm width, similar to the other side, 150 mm height, 50 mm width. The web stiffener height is also 150 mm. The extended plate width is 50 mm on both sides. The flange to web stiffener distance is 105 mm. So similar both sides. Click modify. Then you can see the stiffener height has been changed. Here the width of the base plate is equal to the flange width. You can also change the thickness and width of the base plate. Go to Parts tab. Here the end plate as a base plate. Provide the thickness as 20 mm and width of the base plate is 280 mm. We need a both side projection, so put this 280 mm. Click modify. So you can see the width of the base plate has been changed. Web stiffness thickness as 6 mm and width of the web stiffener is 137 mm from the distance of edge of the base plate to the web. Flange stiffener is 6 mm thickness. Click and modify. Next, give the position numbers for base plate BP1, for stiffness S1. Then select the material as steel IS2062. Copy this value to the stiffness also. Then give the name of the end plate as base plate for stiffness. So click modify. Then we have to create an anchor rod. Go to anchor rod. Select the anchor rod profile as circular rod. Go to circular and rod as give the diameter as 20 mm. Apply OK. Give the position number as AR1 for anchor rod. Choose the material as steel IS2062. For the rod profile name, anchor rod. Select the nut profile. Go to nut. Go to profile catalog. Search nut. User define. Select the nut as M20HSFG. Click OK. Click modify. Then the grout thickness is 25 mm and the grout is created below with slope. Next, to create an anchor rod, base plate with anchor rod. Choose the base plate with anchor rod option, then click modify. So now we can see the anchor rods are created. So this is the grout and this is the anchor rod. Create nut and bolt over the base plate in the anchor rod. Go to anchor rod assembly, select yes to create. Click modify. So here the nut and bolt was created. Bend the bottom rod of the anchor rod. Select this option as hook, then click modify. So the anchor rods will be created. Next we have to change the distance of the anchor rod. Go to bolt tab. In the bolt tab, give the only tolerance value. Next, provide the distance of the anchor rods. From edges 75 mm on one side, in between distance is 130 mm. Click modify. In this direction, we need 3 anchor rods at the distance of 100 mm center to center. From edge of the plate is 108 mm. Click modify. So this is our required anchor bolt distance. Click OK. So similarly, same settings. Choose the taper base plate column. Before creating a base plate, change the switch to object, then select the web of column, then click middle. So now the base plate connection was created. So this is the method to create a base plate for PEB tapered column. In our next video, we will see how to create a PEB rafter. Thank you.